presenting the Ram 2020 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 8-speed auto, 8 horsepower 70, Tradesman SXT package included, bright rear bumper radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display 5.0 touchscreen display Sirius XM satellite radio 1-year Sirius XM radio service no satellite coverage with 8K high PR6GU. For more info call 800-643-2112 rear view day-night mirror overhead console GPS antenna input temperature and compass gauge wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 aluminum rear floor mats front fog lamps bright grille carpet floor covering remote keyless entry with all secure bright front bumper tires, P275/60 R20 BSW as, tires, P275/60 R20 BSW AS.